When the holidays arrive, the kitchen can get busy fast. That's why no-bake Christmas desserts are the hidden gift we all need. Today, we're counting down 10 festive, easy, no-bake treats that will make you the holiday hero without ever turning on the oven. First, peppermint bark, a classic that looks impressive but takes just minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup dark chocolate chips, 1 cup white chocolate chips, 8 to 10 crushed candy canes, pinch of sea salt. Step 1. Melt the dark chocolate and spread it onto parchment paper. Step 2. Melt the white chocolate and drizzle it on top for a marble effect. Step 3. Sprinkle crushed candy canes while it's still soft. Step 4. Chill until firm, then break into rustic holiday pieces. Next, silky no-bake cheesecake cups. Creamy, elegant, and surprisingly simple. Ingredients: 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup whipped cream, crushed graham crackers, fruit or caramel for topping. Step 1. Beat cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Step 2. Gently fold in the whipped cream. Step 3. Layer the filling and crushed graham crackers in cups. Step 4. Add fruit or caramel on top, then chill for 15 minutes. Third, a luxurious chocolate hazelnut mousse that looks fancy but couldn't be easier. Ingredients: 6 ounces dark chocolate, 1 cup lightly whipped heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons hazelnut liqueur or Nutella, crushed hazelnuts. Step 1. Melt chocolate and let it cool slightly. Step 2. Whip cream to soft peaks. Step 3. Fold the chocolate into the cream. Step 4. Chill for 1 hour, then top with crushed hazelnuts. Number 4 is a showstopper, frozen peppermint cheesecake. Ingredients: 1½ cups chocolate cookie crumbs, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 16 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 cup crushed peppermint candies. Step 1. Mix the cookie crumbs with melted butter and press into a pan. Step 2. Beat cream cheese, sugar, and cream until smooth. Step 3. Fold in peppermint candies. Step 4. Pour over the crust and freeze until firm. 5th, coconut snowball cookies. Sweet, snowy bites perfect for holiday trays. Ingredients: 1/2 cup softened butter, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cups flour. Powdered sugar for rolling. Step 1. Cream butter and sugar. Step 2. Add coconut, vanilla, and flour. Step 3. Chill the dough and roll into small balls. Step 4. Coat in powdered sugar. Chill to set. 6th. Chocolate-dipped pretzel rods. Salty, sweet, and customizable. Ingredients: pretzel rods, melted chocolate, holiday sprinkles. Dip, decorate, and chill. That's it. 7th. Peanut butter Rice Krispie bars. Chewy, crunchy, and always a crowd favorite. Ingredients: 3 cups Rice Krispies, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/3 cup honey, 1/2 cup melted chocolate for topping. Mix peanut butter and honey, stir in Rice Krispies, press into a pan, and drizzle with melted chocolate. 8th, for a healthier twist, pumpkin spice energy bites bring cozy holiday flavor in a bite-sized snack. Ingredients: 1½ cups rolled oats, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, 1/3 cup nut butter or seed butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice. Optional: 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Step 1. Mix all ingredients until well combined. Step 2. Roll into bite-sized balls. Step 3. Chill 30 minutes to firm up. Step 4. Store in the fridge for up to a week. You can swap almond or sunflower butter for a nut-free version and add chocolate chips or dried fruit for extra texture. 9th, fresh and colorful holiday fruit skewers, a light, refreshing option to balance richer treats. Ingredients: assorted seasonal fruit, cut into bite-sized pieces. Optional: mini marshmallows, yogurt or chocolate for dipping. Step 1. Skewer fruit pieces in colorful combinations. Step 2. Chill until ready to serve. Step 3. Offer dip on the side. Step 4. Garnish with mint leaves for a festive touch. 10th, creamy, cozy eggnog pudding cups. One of the easiest no-bake desserts for entertaining. Ingredients: 1 package instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups cold eggnog, 1 cup whipped cream or non-dairy topping ginger snaps, crushed for layers. Nutmeg for dusting. Step 1. Prepare pudding with eggnog according to package directions. Step 2. Fold in whipped cream. Step 3. Layer with crushed ginger snaps in cups. Step 4. Chill and dust with nutmeg before serving. For a lighter version, swap half the eggnog for cold milk and use non-dairy whipped topping if needed. With these 10 no-bake Christmas desserts, your holiday table will be filled with color, flavor, and joy, without ever turning on the oven. Happy holidays, and be sure to check out this video for more festive recipes.